So in the previous class we have discussed about the volume, the curved surface area and the total surface area of a curved surface of a cylinder, right circular cylinder. Now to start with the application of this particular solid, we have the first question here. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 4.4 meter square. If the radius of the base of the cylinder is 0.7 meter, find the height. So we are given, just note down what is given. The curved surface area of the cylinder is given as 4.4 meter square, and the radius of the base, radius, suppose R, is given as 0.7 meters. So we need to find, so we have 2 pi r into h is equals to 4.4, the curved surface area. The formula for the curved surface area is 2 pi r into h. So we will write h is equals to 4.4 divided by 2 pi r. So that is 4.4 divided by 2 into 22 into, if we take this as 7, and the radius is given to be 0.7. So now you have to calculate the value of this, and this is coming to 1 meter. 1 meter. So this is 1 meter. Now the next question we will take up here. So hopefully it is okay. Now we moving on to the question number 2. In a hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe. There is a cylindrical pipe of length 28 meter, and diameter 5 centimeter, and diameter 5 centimeter. Find the total radiating surface. Total radiating surface or in the system. So this water heating system is in the cylindrical form, and then so if you have to find the total surface of the radiating system, so that obviously will be the curved surface area. For example, this is the water heating system, and this is the part which is radiating the heat energy. So we have to find the curved surface area. The same formula we will write. So length we are given the cylinder L, of which is represent it as h, the height. So the length of the cylinder, which we actually call the height if you make it vertical, and that is given as 28 meters. And the diameter is given as 5 centimeters. So my dear, this is 28 meter. You can change it to centimeter as 2800 centimeter, or you can change this into meters. So I am changing the length or the height of the cylinder as 2800 centimeter. Now the diameter is given, if you write d, and that is given as 5 centimeters. So the radius will be, the radius r will be 5 by 2 centimeter. So the total radiating surface is the curved surface area. So therefore total radiating surface is equals to the curved surface area, and that is equals to 2 pi r into h. So 2 into 22 by 7, radius is 5 by 2, and this is 2800. So this now you have to calculate. So this 2 and 2 cancels out. This will be 7, and this is 400. So ultimately we have a 4. This will be 2 into 25 by 2 into 2800. So 2 is cancelled. 22 by 7. So it is, how much it is coming? 1110.
Sir, 44,000.
44,000
Yes, sir.
centimeter square. So you can write it as 44,000 centimeter square. So moving on to question number 3. So note it down, then I will rub this. Now it is required to make a closed cylindrical tank. Closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter. And base diameter 140 centimeter. From a metal seat. How many square meters? How many square meters of the seat are required for the same? Are required for the same. So read the question once again. It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter. So the tank is, this is the closed cylindrical tank and the height is 1 meter. This is closed. Base diameter is 140 centimeters and that is made from a metal seat. So how many square meters of the seat is actually required to make this particular closed cylindrical tank? So let us write down the information given. We are given the base diameter D if we write, and that is given as 140 centimeter. Next we note down the radius. If the diameter is given, the radius R will be 70 centimeters, just the half of the diameter. Then we have height of this tank. Height of the tank, which is given as 1 meter, right? So the area of the seat required. So area of seat required. Now can you tell me what will be the area of the seat required? What formula, which formula we need to use here? That is the total surface area. We have to find the total surface area, that is given by 2 pi r into r plus h. So we now substitute the values here. So we have the area of seat is equals to 2 into 22 by 7, and the radius is, my dear, the radius is given as 70 centimeters. You have to change it to meter because the height is given as 1 meter. So it is 0.70 2 pi r into r plus h, 0.70 plus 1. So in this case, we need to calculate this. So 2 into 22 by 7, you can write it as 70 by 100 into 1.70. So this will be cancelled out, 7 also. So now you need to multiply and find out what will be the final result of this. 44 multiplied by 1.70, 74. So it is coming to 74.8 by 10, and that is equals to 7.48 meter square of the metal sheet is required to make this particular cylindrical tank. So moving on to the next question. Hopefully you have understood this. So I think question number 4. So the question number 4 comes like this. The total surface area, of a hollow cylinder which is open from both sides, is 4620 square centimeter. Area of base ring is 115.5 square centimeters, and the height given is 7 centimeter. So find the thickness of the cylinder. So hopefully you understand what you have to find the thickness. Supposing this is your cylinder, hollow cylinder. So you can make it like this. So if from the center, if this outer radius is capital R and the inner radius is small r, so you need to find the thickness. That means the bigger radius minus the smaller radius. So this r minus r we have to find in this particular question. The total surface area of the hollow cylinder which is open from both sides is 4620 square centimeter, and area of the base ring, this ring is given, this area is given. The area of the base ring is given as 115.5 square centimeter, and the height of this is given as 7 centimeter. This particular height is 7 centimeter. So you need to find the thickness. As I told you, you have to find r minus r. Capital R is the radius of the bigger circle, and small r is the radius of the inner circle. So now you need to find this. So first of all, you start with total surface area. Total surface area of the cylinder, hollow cylinder, is given as is 4620 centimeter square. This is given. Next, area of the base ring given. Let us note area of the base ring, and that is given as 1.5 centimeter square. Okay. Then we have been given the height of the cylinder. And that is given as 7 centimeter. So these are the information which is available in the question. Now if we take let the outer radius, we take it as r centimeters, and the inner radius we take as small r centimeter. So r is the outer radius, small r is the inner radius. Now you are given the base area, and the base area will be how much? The area which I said it, the base area is given by pi of the bigger area of the bigger circle minus area of the smaller circle, that is pi of r square minus r square, and this is equals to 115.5 centimeter square. So this we have been given. So the base area is given by pi r square minus pi small r square. Now we need to find the total surface area is given. So that let us write down the formula for the total surface area of this hollow cylinder. So the total surface area what will be that? The total surface area is 2 pi r into r plus h is the total surface area, and then from here we need to and this width. Total surface area, the outer curved surface area plus the inner curved surface area, and then the area of the base, that is 2 pi r h plus we have to write 2 pi capital R h and plus area of the base, that is pi of r square so 2 into this, because 2 times, one is the upper part, one is the lower part. There are two surfaces, base areas, and base area is given as 4620. Have you got this formula, how it is coming? If you talk about the hollow cylinder, there is an outside surface, there is the inner surface, and the two base areas, one at the top and one at the bottom. So this is the formula, and this is given as 4620. Now from here we can take 2 pi into h, you can write r plus r, this we can take common, and then this is equals to 4620. And one more thing, this pi r square minus pi r square is given here 115.5. So this is minus, we can write 2 into 115.5. So this is coming to 4620 minus, how much is this? 230, and this is 231. This is 231, and this will come to 4389. So this is coming to 4389. Now from here we can write pi of into the height is given as, how much it was, height? 7.
Yes, sir.
So 2 into 22/7 into 7 into r plus h is equals to 4389. So if we solve this, we have 7 r plus h. So you need to find the value of pi into r plus r. So we have 7, you can cancel, this is r plus r equals to 4389 divided by 44. So if we do the, what was the value of, we need to find the value of r minus r, isn't it? So how can you move from here? So pi. We have the equation of pi r square minus of pi r square equals to 115.5 that was given to us. So from here, how can you proceed further? We have 2 into 22/7, we have put the value of pi, h is 7, and to r plus r is 4389. So then we can write it 313. So how, if let us divide this, 4389 divided by 44 is 99.75.
Sir, R plus R का वैल्यू इसमें डाल देंगे.
हाँ यार, इन दिस वी हैव टू फाइंड. सो एक काम, हम यहाँ पे एक्चुअली पाई यहाँ पर है, इसीलिए हम उसको अब यहाँ पे एक काम करते हैं ना, पाई की वैल्यू यहाँ पे रिप्लेस नहीं करते हैं, ठीक है, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी पाई इज हियर. सो यहाँ पे हम पाई का वैल्यू हम लोग छोड़ देते हैं. रुको 1 मिनट रुक जाइए. सो वी विल राइट इट हियर, 2 into pi into 7 is equals to this. So pi into r plus r is equals to 4389 divided by 14. इसका कैलकुलेशन हम लोग देख लेते हैं तो हमारा अब काम आसान हो जाएगा. So it is 4389 divided by 313.5. So 313.5. This is the value which is coming. Now we will apply this, use this. We have pi into r square minus r square is 115.5. इसको लिख सकते हैं pi into r plus r into r minus r, that is 115.5. So ये पूरा वैल्यू हमें अब मालूम हो गया, pi into r plus r which is obtained here. तो यहाँ पे लिखेंगे 313.5 into r minus r equals to 115.5. So इसका वैल्यू कितना आएगा, r minus r will be 115.5 divided by 313.5. So this, whatever the value will come, that will be the final answer. So it is 115.5 divided by 313.5, coming to 0.39, something like that. 0.39.